Hey guys, so I basically wanted to give this video an introduction, but I didn't want to set up all my lights and stuff like that because, as you'll see, we have a lot to do tonight. But if you watched my, I created my dream Pinterest living room video, I'll pop it in the cards above. If you saw that video, you'll know that we recently did up our living room and we did it up on a budget, and we are currently away to do the same with our bathroom. So I'll insert clips of what it looks like at the moment as an overview. There's nothing wrong with the bathroom, it's just a bit bland, it doesn't feel very luxurious, it doesn't feel like somewhere I want to go and relax, and I feel like we can do a lot more with the space. So that is our plan. The colour that we have picked for the bathroom is one from B&Q. I'll probably insert another clip in a little bit actually telling you which paint it is. But basically we're going to go for that with like a big statement mirror, and then accessorise it with gold baskets and candles and just make it a bit more of an adult's relaxation bathroom. Pretty much. So I thought I would take you guys along on this journey like I did with the living room, but this time I am aware that I'm going to do a video on it, so I'll probably film it a bit better than I did last time. But if you guys are interested to see the transformation, this isn't going to be as quick as the other one. Like, today's date is the 10th, I believe, the 10th of June. We're expecting to get this done next month because obviously we need to order, well, we don't, not obviously, but we need to order a new floor. We're having a bespoke mirror made, which takes a couple of weeks to get here, and we need to go physical shopping for things like new bath mats, some gold baskets, new toothbrush holder, all of that kind of jazz. But today we are starting it. I think we're going to start it by cleaning it and putting the white paint on, or like the first coat of white paint on tonight, because we need to do the white first to mask it off and do the colour in a couple of days. So without rambling anymore, basically we're doing up the bathroom. Come along with us if you're interested. If not, that's okay. If you're interested in any of our other renovation videos, then I'll pop a link in the cards like I said before, and we'll be doing our bedroom in a couple of months as well, so stay tuned for all of that. Let's jump. So basically this is what the bathroom currently looks like. So it's just all white. This shelf is being removed. This back wall is being painted. All of this crap is going because we need to find a better storage solution for our crap. We have these two towel rails on the wall which are going because I hate them, and this one's going to go on the wall instead. I haven't decided whether I'm going to spray paint that or not yet. We have like this cream / grey laminate like slats on the floor. As you can see, they're actually lifting up, probably just from general use, but obviously we have a little one, so we can't really afford for his fingers and stuff to get jammed in there. The shower and the bath, generally not much is going to be happening with this because it is all tiled and it is all built in and it is a rented property, so there's only so much we can do with it, but we're hoping to get some more storage and stuff like that. So that is basically what we are working with. So yeah, I'll take you along with me on the decoration journey. Okay, so in terms of angles, not the best I've ever done. However, figured I would show you the paint that we have selected. So we went with the brand Good Home, which I believe is just B&Q's like own brand, or it wasn't very expensive. I think it was like £12 a pop. We originally bought the shade Marseille, which I'll pop a photo colour of here, which was a slightly more bright blue, more of like a deep teal colour, which is what I thought I wanted. When we got the paint home, we opened it, we had a look, and I didn't like it at all. It's not the way that it looked on the sample in my memory, and it's not the way that it looked in the brochure that we looked at. So I changed my mind, decided I wanted to go for a deep navy, which nobody else seems to agree with me on at the moment about the deep navy, but I am 100% convinced it's going to look amazeballs if I decorate it correctly. So I sent Buggy back to B&Q to pick up this paint, and this is in, I want to say Antibes, I'll go for Antibes, and it's a matte deep like navy royal blue colour. It's gonna look amazeballs. But I'll also put like a colour patch up here for you guys to see. Oh, the man is back with beer. I'll put a colour patch in of that for you guys to see. But that's that, and then we just went for normal matte white paint for the rest of the bathroom because keep it simple, right? So I am gonna go and completely clear out the bathroom for prep and paint. And I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. So we have ripped out the bath panel because we're going to put a new one in. We've given this wall a fresh coat of white paint, and then obviously the first coat of the blue. Don't be alarmed, I am well aware that right now it looks horrendous, but it won't. So all of the walls have now had a coat of paint, the holes have been filled in and sanded down. So tomorrow it will just be another coat of paint. We'll see how we get on, and then it's the fun bit where we get to order stuff. Yay. Okay, so it's day 4 of the bathroom renovation, and all of the white paint has been done. Our towel rack is up, the blue wall is done, and I'm loving it. The shelf's been sanded down and painted, and then now what's the easy way to do is the floor. So we're going to rip up this floor here and put down a darker floor, which I'll show you guys in a bit, but that is today's task, and then hopefully get the new bath panel on as well. But we'll see how we get on.
The windows,
And
where there should be windows.
yeah, and get this sorted a wee bit because Spooky wants to tidy up the edges. it.